Hello everybody, hey, here's my latest Tree of Life. Now those of you that are familiar with my work will know that this is my signature piece. I've made it many times. There was an Australian one, an American one, a Canadian one, a pink one, a family one, a hoopoo one, one with egg, one with the egg hatched with a chick in it. I can't remember how many I've done, I've forgotten. Anyway, I recently went to the exhibition at the Victoria and Albert Museum to see the Mughals, the Indian work, and it was absolutely blew me away. I thought it was fantastic, really wonderful. And in particular, what struck me was the inlaid marble work. The Indians don't really have a tradition for mosaic, but the inlaid work, I mean, notably the Taj Mahal, one of the wonders of the world, right, is this inlaid marble work. So that inspired me to make this one. And I'm really pleased with it. I think it's got a real freshness to it. The gold, which is what all the others were, gave it a Byzantine historical look, St. Mark's Cathedral, you know. Anyway, this one doesn't do that, but as a result, I think it gives it a much more contemporary and fresh and clean look. So, as usual, I've written an accompanying verse, which goes like this. It was a lovely London sunny spring day when I went to see the Mughals at the V&A. Their inlaid marble work was so clean and bright, I decided to make my next Tree of Life white.